The church has to set up Venmo. And we're off. Gonna come over here. Get all the funny stuff. Oh my God, he's adorable. He is adorable. Oh, these are adorable. Set. Oh, he's really cute. I have to go put this somewhere. Hello. I'm good. How are you? I gotta put this down for a minute. Can you hold these for me? What?
This girl over here said, come over right now.
Who?
I don't know.
Well, oh, okay.
She said, come over right now.
Well, all right. Who?
I don't know.
Which table? Oh, here she is.
Phantom lamp that you wanted
Yeah.
is upstairs on an auction.
On an auction.
And you can buy it now.
Oh, thank you so much. So I have my... Okay. That was very nice of her. There's specific things I was looking for, and now I can't find them. This little mouse. He's cute. He's cute. Sitters. Right. All right, I'm gonna put those in. And these are gorgeous. Look at those. Oops. Party lights. Oh, so cute, aren't they? I know. Oh.
How much are they?
All right, I'm gonna go around. No problem. Wanted to get in here.
Oh, sorry.
You're fine. Four. Those are adorable. This is cool. Yes, of course. Of course. All right, now we pay here separate. So crazy how you guys do this. It's all the same stuff. Or it all goes to the same place.
And it's to make it easier for people so they don't have to carry stuff around.
Oh, yeah.
Get a bag here and then get a bag there.
Oh, I'm like a fill the bag and I'm like that every year. Anything else I need over here while I'm paying? I'm going to walk this way until... I'll be right back. Did I miss anything? This turkey's cute. Mini girls. That turkey was really adorable. I wanted to get in here. All right. Okay. I gotta put my glasses on. Let's see. So cute. All right. I think I'm good. How cute is he? I think I have one of these. Jim Shore. Okay, so we have to pay separate over here. So let's go over here. Okay, I have more.
I'll be with you in just a few minutes, okay? Thank you. Okay, so that was 23. Just added this. Okay.
Yeah, I added 2 more things.
4 and 8.
The church has to set up Venmo. The church has to set up Venmo.
All right.
So what do I owe ya?
35.
Here you go. Oops, sorry.
That's okay.
Thank you. Can I come back for this?
Yep, sure.
Thank you.